Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we will check the current energies of your twin flame union in the collective for this particular week. We'll start with the energies of divine masculine. So the first card that we have is Two of Pentacles, followed by Knight of Wands. So somewhere this is for all those masculines who were certainly juggling. They were feeling this energy of their twin flame. They were getting more and more attracted to their twin flame all this while, but they were not able to understand like what is really happening in their connection. So somewhere these masculines are finally gaining clarity. They are coming to a point of standstill where they're learning that what are their true feelings towards their divine feminines. With this card, Knight of Wands, we also see that Knight of Wands is a very fiery, passionate energy. And in the entire spread, there's this red color that is popping out. Red color usually talks about your life force energy. So somewhere I feel that masculines are also getting very charged up to start focusing on their life purpose, which is actually a good thing because this is where the masculines can also explore their true masculinity, right? So when masculines learn to explore their true masculinity, that is where they get closer to their twin flame and they learn the reality of their connection. That, okay, all this while, this was actually my true partner, and this is where I need to show up to protect and to be there and be the giving person to my divine feminine and be there for a very long time. So if we look at this Emperor card and then Three of Wands, somewhere the masculines do feel that now it's time that they show up and step into their harmonious union. The next card is Ten of Pentacles. So they really want to talk about how they feel. They really want to express their feelings with their divine feminines, and they're really manifesting because some of the masculines may also be in this energy where they're not sure how their feminines may react, because the last time when the communication broke, it did not go well. Maybe the communication broke without a communication. Maybe the masculines just went into their cocoon without even telling that, okay, this is my problem with you and this is where you trigger me and I don't want you to do that. They just ended the connection like that, and now they are waiting for some opportunity to pop up. They want things to align so that they can initiate a communication with their divine feminines. So let's see what's coming in the bottom of the deck is the Star. So some sort of a wish fulfillment is coming up, but for that to happen, yeah, for that to happen, the feminines who are holding on to this grief and this resentment, that why did he just muted himself the last time we were talking, is where you are hurt and you're avoiding to feel your feelings in that place. So I would suggest you to give more presence and attention to that part of you so that it gets easier even for the masculines to process how they are feeling and forgive themselves for what they have done. Because when you are feeling that way, that why did they do it, they also are going through this emotional turmoil where they are not feeling good about what they have done in the past, and there's a lot of guilt and regret and this sad energy that's building up. So as in how you let go of that energy, the masculines will also learn to gain confidence, strength. And with these two cards that we have, Strength and Six of Wands, it clearly shows that the masculine will gain strength to show up for their feminines, because they will realize that no matter what I have done, and now that I've realized my mistake, my feminine is going to accept me. And no matter what, even if they don't, they put up an act of not accepting me, I am going to be on this path to pursue them. Right? So that's for the masculines. Let's see what's coming up for feminines for this week in the collective. Cards are shuffling cards. Okay, so in the masculine reading, we had the Emperor, and in the feminine energy, we do have the Empress. So, somewhere the masculines are stepping up in their masculinity, and that is also helping the feminines to step up in their femininity. And after that, after the Empress, the next card that we have is Four of Wands. And Four of Wands talks about marriage, talks about union, talks about gatherings and celebration. So somewhere, if you are so lately feeling about celebrating something in your life, or probably bringing some changes and celebrating how far you have come in your life, it's the right time for you to do. And I would say that don't wait for your masculine to just be physically present. You need to keep moving forward in your life, because with the World card, if we see that this lady is just looking at the bag while moving forward, what we need to do is that we need to keep moving forward, because that is also going to ignite that passion and fire in the masculine's energy, so that they can come and be the king of cups that they are right now. Somewhere, if I look at the feelings, the masculines are still somewhere feeling that, okay, my divine feminine is not in the energy, like I'm in the energy of king of cups, so my divine feminine is in the energy of queen of swords. So I might go talk to her, but she is going to bombard me with so many questions, so many things I might have to answer, but probably I'm not ready for that. So they still are, thinking that, okay, I need to be better prepared. I need to be more prepared for this situation. So this is where you need to put a hold, and where you are doing that, like thinking, up, Mera twin flame, my twin flame will now come to me and I'm going to ask him this, I'm going to ask him that, I'm going to tell him this. Let go of that. Let it be natural. What will happen if your twin flame comes in front of you right now? How are you going to react? Are you going to reject your man by asking him these multiple questions? Know that this was just a part of mirroring and your ascension, or you're going to accept them, right? So be more compassionate, be more open. What we don't see coming at the bottom of the deck is financial gains. Yes, financial gains, and you feeling a lot more free in your finances. There were many fears, which is why you were holding on to many things up till now, but now you're learning to be patient and focus on your inner work. You're learning to focus in your own life and continuing to do the work. It's not the situation anymore where you're like, okay, I've done so much of work, now what next? Now you're learning to do a lot more work and ground into it, which is a good thing. And keep up with the work that you are doing. You have done a lot of work and there's more to do. So don't stop that, okay, I have done this much work, now what? I will do the next level when my masculine shows up, or I'll celebrate when my masculine shows up. No, that's not what is required. Just learn to be. All right. So that's all. And if you resonate with this reading, you can book a session with me. You can also book a reading with me on my website. The link to my website for readings and coachings is pinned down. So, yeah, I hope to see you. Thank you very much. Namaste.